headed to the shop. I got stuck in the middle of a storm. Pretty cool. I got some photos. Let's keep going. Finally, after a long storm, we finally made it to the shop. This is going to be part 2, a small continuation of the Miata. We're going to be replacing the valve cover gasket. The engine's already inside the car. And I'm going to show you what tools you guys need. Brake clean, right stuff, some gloves, pliers, something to clean your head with, a ratchet, 12mm wrench, 12mm socket and an extension, 10mm and an extension, your torque wrench, some rags, and of course your valve cover gasket. First tool is going to be your 12 wrench right here, and one right here holding your coil pad. Tried Felpro. I have tried other ones from other auto parts stores and they don't seem to do the job. Going with the factory one and it should get a proper seal. Have a little bit of silicone on all your corners. One thing you guys can get is one of these, and what this is it holds your cam gears so that way when you set your timing, they don't skip and you don't have any issues doing your timing. Get one of these at Amazon. They are in my description box if you guys want to purchase it. If you purchase it through my link, you guys will get a deal and you'll be supporting the channel. So drop a comment as to what you want to see next and let's do a cold start.